أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in best state of health and iman. Ameen. Bismillah ta'ala. Alhamdulillah. Kindly make use of the chat box to reply, inshallah ta'ala. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu feek. So Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 4th of this video editing course, and Alhamdulillah, we have learned so much in the past 3 days, right, dear sisters and brothers? Can you all sum up what we had learned in past 3 classes? Just one to 3 points. Just tell me in 3 points. In first class, we learned about intro, and also we learned how to merge some things, how to create a project. And second class, we learned about, yes, come on, type in the chat box. Let me see. Trim and split and image into a video, and also one important aspect, how to reorder the videos as well, right? How to increase the duration of the photos also, right? And also we had learned some of the workspace tools and more, right? So come on, we are going to start off the class. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. You have to rectify your intentions. Please rectify your intentions, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, because we have a greater purpose behind everything. We are the Muslim and the Muslimah here, Muslimas here, right? So we have a greater purpose, right? We have to be very much concerned about the good deeds that we are gaining in every moment of our time, right? So what we have to do is we have to rectify our intentions and make every moment of our lives as a means to gain rewards, right? Yes, sisters and brothers. So let us just rectify our intention while we are being in this class, so that we are gaining the rewards when we are studying this, inshallah ta'ala. So I want you all to earn rewards while you're going to study through this course, and also while we are going to edit after the course as well. What intention you have to do is nothing but you have to make a niyyah that you are going to use the skill, use this ability for the sake of Allah, and you have to make a niyyah that even if you're going to earn through this, you are going to gain the rewards, right? So just rectify your intentions before you are going to begin with. So rectification of intentions is very important, because innamal a'malu binniyah, your deeds are judged based on your intentions, right, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, alhamdulillah. So please rectify and begin, so that with each and every click that you're doing now on the video editing application, you might gain the rewards, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, rectify your intentions and start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your efforts, in your skill that you're learning, in every click that you're putting, every effort that you're putting on to learn a skill for the sake of Allah. Alhamdulillah. So I want you all to seek help from Almighty Allah with the du'as like Allahumma inna nas'aluka ilman nafiya. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ilman nafiya wa amalan mutaqabbala. Oh Allah, grant us the beneficial knowledge and such a deed that is acceptable, right? So Allah Rabbana taqabbal minna, Allah accept this deed of ours. So alhamdulillah, let's begin the session. Let's continue this session. Let's continue this journey of being more productive with the smartphones, inshallah. So we are into which day of this course, dear sisters and brothers? See how the way time passes by so fast really is really frightening, right? So how fast the time has passed. It's the 4th day of this course, right, dear sisters and brothers? This is the day 4th of this course. So 3 days have passed by so fast, and alhamdulillah, we have learned so much things in these days, right, dear sisters? And did you not consider this as a beneficial knowledge that you're getting, or was it a waste of time for you? No, right? It's the beneficial knowledge that you're getting, inshallah. So rectify your intentions and begin through this, inshallah. So come on, I want to give you a quick lesson recap, whatever we had learned in previous sessions. I want you, what did we learn in yesterday's class? It was nothing but about the workspace of the Kinemaster. We had studied some of the interfaces, some of the things in the interface that were there, timeline, timestamp. These were all discussed in the day 2 of our session. And in day 3, we just learned about the undo and redo in the control bar, these 2 buttons on the control bar. And also we had learned about asset marketplace in yesterday's session, right? How to download the stuffs from the asset marketplace. And also we had learned about the export and share button, how to export and share. This was the most frequently asked question, how to export my video and send it to you on the WhatsApp. It is nothing but export and share it, export and share it, export it and save it as a video. It will appear on your gallery, and take a note about it, you are not going to upload it. Okay, when you're going to upload this, it will be uploaded on the Kinemaster application. Fine. So this is not the upload button that you have to press. You have to press on the save as a video, and that will be saved. And this was told in this day 2 of our session, right? So please go through the recordings if you have more doubts about that. Okay, in yesterday's class, what did we discuss? We discussed advanced editing tools of the Kinemaster. What were those? In that, we had first advanced editing tool. It is nothing but the trim and split that was dealt in the yesterday's class itself, right? So it was trim and the split. What happens is, whenever you click on the video on the timeline, then the media circle, in place of media circle, you will get some advanced editing options. These are the advanced editing options that you will get. Inshallah, we're going through each and every options in today's class. Okay, this will be our today's class, inshallah. So we just learned about one option on this, that is trim and split option. That is a major option, and every video editor will be facing this option every time whenever they are going to edit a content. Okay, so what I, as a professional editor, what I get is, I get a works on 3-hour videos, 3-hour videos or 4-hour videos. What they ask me to do is, they ask me to select the important parts out of this 3-hour videos and just trim and split the content that is required. So you and I, as a video editor, we can do this very easily, right? Yes, sisters and brothers, did you all find how to find trim and split easy or difficult? Did you all find it easy? Yes, alhamdulillah. You will just get a single work for this. Okay, you will be paid for this work if you are going into the professional, and if you are going to be going into the career through this. Okay, you are just going to get paid for just trimming and splitting out the parts out of the video. Fine. So but important thing is, you have to listen to 3-hour content. Okay, I'll also give you some tips and tactics and tricks how you're going to just make your tasks easy. Okay, because I'm doing it professionally, I'll help you out. I'll show you some of the tricks how you're going to just do your 3-hour task in just 20 minutes or 30 minutes, like that. Okay, I'll be teaching you each and every trick, inshallah. So I want you all to bear with me and be patient while we are leveling up. Okay, for example, I did not teach you the stuffs like the greater aspects. Now we are just going from the beginner level. Okay, dear sisters, we are going step by step. So you have to bear with me. Fine. So the doubts you're asking, some of you are asking is of advanced level. Fine, I'm going to teach you all of that in upcoming sessions. For now, I want you all to have a little sabr, inshallah. So you're going to learn it step by step, inshallah. So come on, this was the first thing that we discussed in a study session. This was a trim and split option, how we are going to trim and split the videos, and you can make a beautiful career through this, inshallah. So next, you had how you can convert a photo into video. This was an excellent option that you all had. This is the beauty of a video editing application, that you're just gonna convert simple photo into a beautiful video. Now, in today's class, you are going to learn how to add an audio, okay, inshallah, and also you're going to learn the advanced editing tools of Kinemaster with the photos, how you're going to enhance the photo quality. If you have a photo, how you are going to enhance that. If you have a photo in lower quality, how to enhance its quality, how to add some what we say, some effects to it, some transitions to it, some overlays to it, and all. We are going to discuss that in today's session. Not only with the photos, I'm also going to teach you with the videos as well in today's session, inshallah. And you're going to learn very important aspect in today's session, inshallah, if time permits. Inshallah, we are also going to learn a important thing. This is the advanced photo editing tools that we are going to learn, inshallah, advanced video editing tools. And if time permits, we are going to learn how to download the YouTube videos and how to extract the audio from the YouTube videos. Okay, come on, you all have to bear with me, inshallah. You all have to listen with patience. You all have to work with me. Fine, come on, will you all work with me? Will you all practice with me? Inshallah ta'ala. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, I want a yes here, okay? Inshallah ta'ala. So this is a live practice section, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to have have two devices, one device to listen to the class, second to the live practice. And if you do not have two separate devices, no worries, but you should have a book to write the key points. Do not just close my screen. You have to follow my screen because that is very important. Fine, because you have to know which tools are where is it located and what I'm doing inshallah in the class. Okay, if you cannot, if you have not attended the previous sessions and if you have missed some important topics, I want you to listen all of the class things in the previous recordings that are available on the YouTube, inshallah ta'ala. And the one important aspect, dear sisters and brothers, I want to share with you all. You all have to attend all of day 1 to day 16 classes to be eligible for certification, and you have to give the poll. Okay, you have to put on the attendance poll as well as the homework poll. Okay, so that is mandatory. 16 days you will have 16 homeworks, and from day 1 to day 16 you will have to put the attendance poll. Fine, you all have to attend all of the classes either through the recording or through the live sections. So alhamdulillah, we are just going to start with the day 4th of today's sessions. Come on, without any delay, let's just start with the screen sharing. I have you all opened up the Kinemaster application. Come on, one important aspect I want you all to practice along with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Have you all opened up the Kinemaster application? Keep it ready. Bismillah. We are into the 4th day with this application. Alhamdulillah. You can just create wonders through this application, inshallah ta'ala. The wonderful content, inshallah. Yes, sisters and brothers, please rectify your intentions before you begin. Why do I emphasize on this is because you will be the future Quranic editors, you will be the future Islamic editors, you will be the Islamic short reminder editors or something like that. So whenever you're going to create the content there, that will be a source of sadqa jariyah for you. How beautiful your intention would be, Allah would reward you in that way, and also Allah will take your content to such a level that even you will be astonished at it. Okay, you will be wondered at it. How did that content reach such a million audience? It is nothing but Allah's will, right, dear sisters and brothers? The content that I created, sometimes it was just a 30-second content that I created sometimes back, probably 4 to 5 years ago, but now it has reached 10 to 12 millions. How did it work? It was probably the YouTube algorithm that took it to that level. But still, while creating the 30-second video, it just took me the 5 minutes. Okay, that content reached hundreds of audience, and that would be a source of radfa jariyah for us, and also it can be a source of reward, right, dear sisters and brothers? You just imagine how will the viewers have, for the viewers it will be a source of guidance also, right? Yes, so I want you all to just rectify your intentions whenever you're going to do any work fi sabilillah, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, with this intention, let's begin with the 4th day of this course, and we are going to just create a new project. Come on, type any name of that project that you're just going to create. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And I want you all to just take any of the aspect ratio. Let me take 9:16 aspect ratio, or I can take any of it. Let it be 9:16. Okay, and click on the create button. Bismillah. The first thing that we're taking is the photo that we had edited in yesterday's class. Come on. Or you can just go to the photo that you had edited in yesterday's class. Not in the class, but the homework that I had given you all. So where is the photos that you all have edited? Is it on your WhatsApp images? Come on, move to the WhatsApp images and create and select the photo that I had sent to you in yesterday's session. After the yesterday's sessions. Okay, probably this was it, right? I do not remember. Probably it is this one. Yes. So this was it. You can just enlarge the screen. How to enlarge this? I told you already. This is the enlarge button. Fine. So now, what did I teach you yesterday? You just had to the single option that I had taught you yesterday. That was the pan and zoom option, right? Yes, dear sisters and brothers. What does pan and zoom option work like? It is nothing but to change the aspect ratio, to fit this photo inside the screen. We are going to use the pan and zoom option, right, dear sisters and brothers? Come on, type yes. Okay, click on the pan and zoom option. You can start it from anywhere, wherever you like. For example, the start of the screen, you want it from here, you just can start it here. Okay, then end position. Let me assign the end position here, somewhere here. Okay, it's totally up to you. Wherever you want, you can keep this up. You see you beautiful shots on YouTube or something like that, on the reels, on Instagram or something like that. How are they created? They just take a single pic and they create wonders with that. Okay, this is a single pic video that we have created. You can just create 30 minutes video out of one single image. Okay, so how are you doing it? Just do a pan and zoom and apply the beautiful clip graphics to it. Fine. So another thing, some of you failed to do the duration. I told you to do it for 10 seconds. Some of you did it for 4 seconds only. How to just change it up from 4 seconds to 10 seconds? Select this video. Select to this 4 dot option at the end. Tightly press this and move it further. Correct? Yes, in this way. So now how many seconds is it in? 9 seconds. If I want to move it more, come on, I should select it. I should click it tightly on this 4 dots and I have to just reorder it. Yes, yes, dear sisters and brothers. Hope you all have understood how to increase its duration, correct? This is how you're going to increase the duration of a photo. Done? Okay. Now I just did it till 18th second, correct? This photo has been converted till the 18th second. Then what did I make use of in yesterday's class? There is something called as clip graphics, right? Yes, you can just apply the clip graphics and create this content into the wonderful content, right? So now before going to all of that, now I'm going to step by step head into the photo editing tools, whatever the photo editing tools that are here in the Kinemaster. I'll teach you each and everything. And I want you all to remember these things, okay? Please remember these things because this will be very important when you're going to the professional field, okay? When you're going to edit your videos itself professionally. So you just have to do so you're just going into each and every tool that are here. So, okay, so now you have something called as a replace option. What does a replace mean? Come on, type in the chat box. Replace ka matlab kya hota hai? What does a replace mean? You are going to change one thing with another, right? For example, if you want to change this photo with another thing, yes, add another instead of this. What you do is you just go to the replace button, click on the replace button, and you want it for the same duration, same time, and same pan and zoom button. You just can click on whichever image you want. That will be replaced. That's all. Same pan and zoom will be used that you had applied for the previous one. Okay, so you can just change the pan and zoom for the same thing. Okay, try each and every options and see, dear sisters and brothers, because these options are very important when you're going into the training sessions. Okay, because you'll be going through all of the training sessions in upcoming sessions. Fine, training classes in upcoming sessions. Okay, so okay, alhamdulillah. So this is how you converted a photo into a video, and this is the replace button that you have just seen. And why is the trim and split used? This was already discussed, right? What is trim and split, dear sisters and brothers? What is trim and split? You're just going to split the content wherever you want, and you're going to split it. You can go and trim it left side, you're going to trim it right side, or something like that. Okay, there's a scissor button there. You just have to click that. And I did not discuss about the fourth thing there. What does split and insert freeze frame means? It is nothing but freeze is nothing but you're just going to freeze out something from that, and you're just going to insert it somewhere. So this is nothing but if there is a photo like this. Okay, for example, I'll give you, if there is a video, okay, video of 30 minutes, fine, 30 minutes. And at some point of the video, there you are finding a very good photo there, okay? You want to make that photo appear for at least 10 seconds or something like that. What you do is you just move your timestamp there and you just click as split and freeze frame. Okay, you just click and freeze frame. What this happens is it captures a photo out of it. Okay, it captures a photo out of this entire video and it places the photo there and not the video. Okay, what happens? It splits this side and this side. All of it will be there. Okay, all of this video will be there, but that photo will be captured and placed there. Come on, give it a try. I want you all to give it a try because that's very important. This will be essential for you if you're going to have something like the contents like if you have to have, for example, here itself, I'll try to split and insert the freeze frame. If you want this frame, I mean this photo, if you are liking it at this position, 8th second position, you like this photo and you want to freeze this frame, you want to capture a photo and you want to put it in between both of this, you just can put it as a split and insert the freeze frame. See what happens is till here it went like this, and then what happened here was this was just the photo that appeared. Okay, that photo. You can just play this photo for 10 minutes or 20 minutes or whatever you want, 5 seconds, 10 seconds or something like that. And the rest of the video will be played after that. Correct? Understood or not understood? Kindly type if you have understood, yes or no. I'll play it up and show. Alhamdulillah. Not understood? Okay, I'll give you a video, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to import a video. Alhamdulillah. Understood? Now you can just import a video on the timeline. Video will be very good to go with. Okay. For the video, we'll go hand in hand. Okay, we'll do with the videos as well as photo. So we have a video here. Fine. So I like this content that is on. I'll show you. That is on 8th second. Okay, that is on 8th second. Okay, 7th second. Now what I want to do is I want to place this 7th second video as a photo in between. I want to make it stop. Okay, make it stop and play that photo in between. Okay, what I do is I just go to the split and insert the freeze frame. What happens is the whole video will be cut into the two parts. Okay, and that in between the two parts the photo will be placed, the freezed photo will be placed. For example, this video was moving as such. So here this video was playing as such. Now what happened? Now what happened is nothing but the photo was captured. The photo from that 7 seconds placed in between the video, between two videos, fine, between the video that was split up. Hope you all have understood it well. Try it out. Only with the practice this skills come. I already told you, you will understand the skills only with practice. If you're not practicing along, then you won't understand this, fine. So just go back and just do it with your own screens, fine. This is nothing but split and freeze frame. So Alhamdulillah, we have learned about the split and freeze frames also. Come on. Type yes if you all have understood. If you are not understood, I want to give it a retry. Inshallah, you will understand it better. Okay. I'm just undoing it because I don't want to freeze the frame. I don't want a freezed frame there. So this is fine for me now. The next one. What is pan and zoom option? Very important option, pan and zoom option. Dear sisters and brothers, you all did it excellently. But I want you all to just try it out with the videos as well. Okay, in yesterday's class somewhere inserting the videos in between, fine, and they kept the aspect ratio as such. See here, now when you insert a video on the timeline, it will show you how much the aspect ratio of the video is there, right? Because what is this black? What is this black? It is nothing but this video is shorter than the smaller than the aspect ratio that we have chosen, correct? So how to fill up this black, dear sisters and brothers? Very important tool. What is it called as? Yesterday's class. Very important. By heart this, okay? Memorize this tool up because this is very important. You as a video editor, I as a video editor have to know this pan and zoom option, fine? Please remember, whenever I ask you what option will you use to just fill this up into the screen, the pan and zoom, okay? Repeat, repeat, repeat. It is pan and zoom. Come on, this is here. You can just fill this up inside, or you can just zoom it up in this way, or whatever you want, you can just do it up with you just have to pin it up on the screen, right? Hope you all have understood this concept, and this is very easy concept, and this is very good to go with, right? So alhamdulillah, this is the pan and zoom option that we had worked on with the photos as well as the videos, right? And the next there is something called as rotate and mirroring. Come on, click on this and try it out. What does mirror mean? Mirror means the left will be gone to the right and right will be gone to the left, right? So what happens is it will just invert it up. For if you apply the horizontal mirroring, then this part will appear on the left side and this part will appear on the right side or something like that. Just the swapping of the parts will be there. And what about this one? Top will appear downwards and down the bottom will appear to the top, right? So we have mirroring in two types. Please try it out, okay? This might be helpful if you are going with the photos of your own, and if you want your face to be facing to the left direction, you can just do this or something like that, okay? One important thing that I want to tell you all, dear sisters and brothers, you can do beautiful photo editing with this application also, okay? Because I have seen so many YouTubers, so many Instagrammers who are using this photo editing, this software as a photo editing. Okay, I'll just give you a name of a channel, the Instagram, what do we say? Instagram handle named as Attawabin. Okay, They create such a beautiful visuals. They create such a beautiful photo content, photo related flyers and photo content. And when asked how do you create it, they told me, take it from me, they told me they do it from the Kinemaster application. Okay, and also they make use of some of the stickers as well. And the Kinemaster was a base that they explained to me. Fine, so you all can create the beautiful photos, and you just have to capture this content. I'll show you in the upcoming sessions. After making the beautiful photo editing, after editing it, after writing this one and more, you can just capture the content and you can just put it as a just the photo or the as a flyer or something like that. Okay, everything will be taught in upcoming sessions. Please bear with me. Okay, so inshallah, so this is the rotate and mirroring options. Then we have something called as rotate option. What is rotate? What is rotate? You're just rotating it, right? So there is a rotate left, rotate right. It is nothing but rotation. Okay, this is how you can rotate. You're going to invert it up, that's all, right? There is a difference between rotating and mirroring. What is the difference between rotating and mirroring? Left is converted to right, that is mirroring. Top is properly, if you just tilt your image properly towards 90 degree, towards one direction to the left or the right, then that is a rotation. Next we have something called as a filter. Dear sisters and brothers, probably you all will be having this filter. Some of the filters will be missing from your Kinemaster if you're just using the mod version. You can just try all of these filters out. Okay, for example, if you have people in this image, that will these filters will look excellent with that. Fine, try it out, try it, each and every filters that are there on your cell phones. Come on, see here, it is a beautiful way. This is the way that you can just convert the filters, and you just can apply any of the options to the filters. Fine, you just can convert just a random image into the very beautiful and excellent copy of it. Okay, probably you all had seen all of these future features are available on the Adobe Photoshop and more, and this software provides you all of that. Okay, so this one, the hue, the saturation, the temperature, the highlight, the shadows, everything are available on the Adobe Photoshop. Those Photoshop things are available on your Kinemaster application, dear sisters and brothers. So now this important aspect is you can edit your photos beautifully with this application. Okay, so this tried the adjustments out. See here, you can just brighten those up, you can just decrease the brightness of any photos, you can increase the contrast. Okay, what happens here is when you have this contrast, it will actually make each and every object appear in this screen in a bit highlighted manner. Okay, just apply this and see. And then saturation, apply it and see. Hue, saturation and more are all the tools of the Kinemaster of the Kinemaster, which are available on the high end softwares like Adobe Photoshop and more. So you are just given all of it on the tips of your hand. You can just make use of this and utilize this to just create a beautiful content, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, try all of this out. Are you all trying along with me? Try all of it out. Try all of it out. If you have 10 images, what you all can do is you can just apply the hue there. Okay, you can just apply to all there. Fine. See the hue, the saturation and more. You just can put an apply to all there. Fine. Okay, if you do not have any filters, dear sisters and brothers, do not worry, because there is another option that I'm going to teach you in your classes. Do not worry if you do not have any filters. Just if you do not have any filters, and if you want to download the filters, there is something called as an asset marketplace at the top right here. Click there and download it. How to download it is just go to the asset marketplace and download it. Click on the asset marketplace. Probably the filters will be available there. See here, you will have a n number of filters. Just download it up. Okay, so you just can download whatever filters you want, cybernoid or something like that. You can download whichever you want. It will convert your photos into the beautiful photos. It will enhance the quality of the photos. Very important. Filters are required for the enhancing the quality. See here, debot Ottoman. What it gives you a lush effect, like the reddish effect on your photos or something like that. Okay, you can just use those filters whenever you want. That will be here. Deep atom. See here. Now it will be converted because I have applied warm and more. So it's not giving a good look for this. Okay, so I just can revert it back. So what I'll do is I'll just go back. I'll just undo it, and what I want to say, if I want to say what did I download it, you can just make use of that and see whatever you have downloaded. Fine. See here how beautiful it is. Okay, it will look great with your own photos. Try it out with your own photos, because you can just make use of each and every aspect with your photos and just create a beautiful photo out of it. Fine. Then the next, adjustments is done. There is a clip graphics. Probably I have taught you yesterday in yesterday's class. Hope you all have understood it. What is clip graphics, dear sisters and brothers? Your photo is beautifully converted into a video with this clip graphics, right or no? See how beautiful it is now. How it looks beautiful, right? How beautiful it looks, right? So you just can convert your photo into the video in this format, or you can just make it in this way, dear sisters and brothers. Download so many beautiful aspects from the seer. You can just make it in this way, right? Now I already told you can just add a text to this video. Already there photo, you can just make it as this one. Enter your own text, do it with your own way, whatever you want. You can just make it in any way. Vintage vlog, just see here the vintage vlog thing. Try all of this out, dear sisters and brothers. Are you all trying it out? Do it out with me. Sentimental, the powerful. More titles, for example, this one. You can just add the titles with this. With this also you can add, but we will be teaching you with the layers itself. Okay, don't worry. This is not the only way that you have to write the options. Find the stylish presentations here. It can make you. It can be like a stylish presentation. It will be shown off like a stylish presentation. In whatever way you want, you can just see here. It will present it in the beautiful way. Fine, your videos can be presented in beautiful way. For example, e-magazine kind of, if you want. You can just make use of this beautifully. Fine. Try it out. If you do not have all of this, I want you all to just go to the asset marketplace and download this app. This does not take you more than 10 MB. Fine. Each one will be just 5 to 6 MBs. You will also have some news title kind of things. Come on, see here. You're reporting a news. I'll teach you each and every aspect again. All of this will taught in the breaking news videos when we are going to create the breaking news content in the special training sessions. Okay, this will be followed by the intro sessions, will be followed by the special training sessions. Okay, do not worry. See here the presentation format also. For example, you're presenting some video for the company or something like that. You can just create that video and put in some contest like this. See here, for this video, if you want to give some highlights like this, for this video, this is the highlighted thing. See here, everything. It is nothing but it is called as a clip graphics. Okay, if you're going to the promotional, okay, we are going to use all of these aspects and create the promotional videos and more. Okay, do not worry. I'll show you each and every aspect. For example, on sale. Here you can just put your abayas and something like that, and you just can write this is for sale with an MRP this much and this much, this much, this much. You can just write each and everything here. Okay, so this is also helpful for you when you're just going to write it for the each and every aspect. For example, if you're into the interior design or something like that, you can just mention whatever your package is of inside this. And see here, for example, if you are having some kind of the stores, the boutiques or something like that, see here, you can just have a tag there. Okay, see here, MRP, you can just write the sales price, the offered price or something like that, and you can just make use of this content beautifully. A sale up to 50% off or something like that, you can write or something like that. Okay, so this is used for the business promo videos, and I'll explain to you each and every aspect, and do not worry. And then there is a device mockup. Okay, you can just put any of the photo or the video inside the mockup. For example, if this is a photo that I had taken, I want to put it inside the computer screen, and I want to just move it inside the computer screen. This is how I do it. Okay, so it is a device mockup. Come on, download it up and see how beautifully you can convert it. Now you're going to into the video editing. You're going to be advanced video editors, inshallah. So I want you all to try each and every options and create a content starting from today, inshallah. Create hundreds of content now. For example, put something inside this laptop and write some text, like just write a proverb of 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 lines. Write a proverb. Title text is here. Write a proverb. For example, for time being, what proverb I'm just getting in my mind is, I do not have. Okay, the way times fly, the way time flies by so fast is frightening. Flies by so fast. Okay, so what I have to do, I'll just click on the way. Create beautifully, dear sisters and brothers. You have got an application with you. You have got your own creativity, right? You are creative in your own ways, right? So I cannot tell you how creative you can be, but you are creative in your own ways, and you know how creative you are, right? Come on, test your creativity here and put in all of your creativity in your own videos. Fine. That's frightening. Okay, see here. I have converted this photo into a beautiful video with a text on it. The way time flies by so fast is frightening. And you can just put a beautiful audio behind it, and I'll teach you in challenge just a few minutes how to add the audios to this. That's all. See how beautiful you have converted a photo into a video. Now, come on, how did you do with it? You did it with the this graphics, right? What clip graphics? See here, even this you can apply, dear sisters and brothers. Play it and see everything. This device mockups and everything are beautiful. The tablet screen, the laptop screen. If you want, you just can make use of each and every aspect and make use of it beautiful. For example, newspaper outlets. You can just see I've given the text and it will take the text whatever I had given you. See how beautiful it is, right? Any doubts? Try all of this out. Yesterday I was expecting so beautiful videos from you, but probably some of you had shared it, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Some of you have not shared it yet. The trim and split was shared by everyone, but this one, converting a photo into a video with the clip graphics and with the pan and zoom option, most of you did not try it out. I want you all to give it a try because each and every homework is mandatory for your certification. Fine. So here, see here, you can just create a news title out of it. News headlines. The way time flies by so fast is frightening. Okay, just try it each and every aspect ratio, each and every clip graphics that are here, and you can just download hundreds of clip graphics from the asset marketplace. Okay, dear sisters and brothers, type yes if you have understood how we are going to use the clip graphics, because this is very important. So I have stressed out this topic multiple times. Fine. And now if I do not want any clip graphics, I'll just go and press on none. Okay. But now I'm going to teach you how you're going to photo edit, right? So this clip graphics is done. This is how beautiful you have just converted a photo into video, right? So you have made use of this clip graphic and you can convert just a photo into a beautiful video. Try it out, inshallah. All of these are very mandatory options as a video editor or a photo editor. You are into a photo editing, you also have to learn how beautiful you are converting a photo into a video. So this all are done. Now there is something called as artificial intelligence, AI styling. You know, this is the time for artificial intelligence, right? Everything is on AI. So what we all do, so AI is in every application that you come across. You also have something called AI styling. What does AI styling mean? It automatically gives your photo its styling. So AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. You can just download whatever aspects are here. For example, if your photo is on your computer, on your smartphone, okay, come on, I want you all to make use of your own photos, okay, because this will look great with your photos. You can just convert your photo into a beautiful sketch. Okay, you can just tell it that is my painting that I have drawn, or you can just make it into a beautiful cartoon, and it will be converted to entire video, dear sisters and brothers. Remember, if it is a video, entire video can be converted into a cartoon, okay, just by using this AI styling. If it is a photo, entire photo can be converted into a 3D cartoon by just using this AI styling. Okay, just make use of this and see. I want you all to give it a try. Come on. Are you all trying it out? For example, so this photo, I want to replace it. How do I replace it? Just click on the replace and I want to put a photo there. Probably I do not have any photo there. So this is my project things. This was used for a software project. Probably this would not work, but okay, let me just try it out with this. I do not have much photos here. How to convert, how to give it a AI styling? Just click on the AI styling and click on this. It will generate within a seconds, okay? Because it's taking time, because probably the duration is more here. It's for 18 seconds. Oh no, it will take only 1 second or more. So it just converts it into the cartoon. That's all. Because it's already a cartoon, it cannot convert it. So you just can make use of your own images and try it out, okay? Because this is a cartoon styling that I had given you now. So it did not convert it perfectly. So this tool is very excellent. Try it out, inshallah. Any images of the kids or something like that I do not have, okay? So I want you all to try it in your own ways, inshallah. Okay, hope you all are doing it along with me. Type yes, please. I want to know your progress. Yes, alhamdulillah. So come on, there's something else on the media. What I'm gonna do is, let me just put a photo there. Probably that is the photo that I have. Or let me just, I think there's a human being also here, okay? I can try out of with this one. So this is here. So there's something called as a magic remover. What does magic remover do is when you it might not give you the accuracy. Okay, it is the AI thing that does. Okay, it actually removes the background. What does magic remover do is it removes the background and keeps the image that it wants to keep. So when you click on it, just try it out with your sisters and brothers. Sometimes it does not give you the accuracy because this photo is actually AI developed photo. So probably this won't be working. So let me see if it works, then that's great, right? So this is how you are going to make use of the various tools of the photo editing application just to remove the backgrounds. Okay, if it does not remove the backgrounds in accuracy, then do not worry, dear sisters and brothers, because you are going to learn a very beautiful tool in future that is called as green screen removal or the background removal, or that is called as a keying out. Okay, I'll tell you the procedure in detail in upcoming sessions. Do not worry, you are going to learn very major topics of the VFX editing or something like that. See, so it did not give me the accuracy. Probably it gave you the accuracy because it was identifying you. What did it give you? Dear sisters and brothers, did you all try it out? Type yes. I want to know if you all tried it out. Come on. Did you all try this magic remover? Did it remove your background from the photos? Some might get the perfect accuracy. In this photo, the eyes were just vanished off. It's nothing but it's based on the app way of working it. Fine. Okay. Alhamdulillah. That's great. Barakallahu fiki. So next. Come on, try each and every tool, dear sisters and brothers. Play with each and every tools, because this playing will help you out in a career in your future, inshallah. So I just want you all to just try it each and every tool. There's something called as super resolution. What does this do is you can just get the plugin from the asset store. But if you do not want this plugin, you can just download it. And if you do not want, no problem. What happens here is it actually increases the resolution. There are different plugins. Okay, if you want auto captioning of the videos into entire this one, you have so many plugins, dear sisters and brothers. You also have plugin of noise remover and more. You can just make use of all of this. There's some plugin. See here, they have actually given you a disclaimer. Okay, it functions in AI technology to improve the quality of the photos so that they look clearer. But sometimes what happens is the preview area by hand to select the part to apply. Okay, so what you have to do is move the preview area by hand to select the part to apply. Press the apply button to start super resolution conversion. So okay, so what happens is you have to select the area by hand. For example, here you have to select the area where you are going to apply the super resolution to. Okay, let me just do it as 2x or something like that, or you can just make it as 2x. And the super resolution is nothing but for which area do you want to apply the higher resolution. High resolution matlab higher quality. Okay, for this area it shows, or something like this one, because this is a video that is being placed. You can just increase the resolution of a content. For example, if you have your own photos, where are you going to increase the resolution? You just can make use of that and apply it. Fine. It may not work on some devices, and also it might work on some devices, and also in some devices what happens is it just captures the screen or the important part out of it, and it just displays that. Fine, displays that and increases its resolution. That's all. Then we have something called as a background. Okay, there's something called as a background. Come on, click on it. Do you all have something called as a blur option there? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes. And who does not have the blur option? Any knows? Everyone has a blur option. That's great. Excellent. So what does this mean is, okay, if you do not have, do not worry at all. There is nothing if you do not have blur option. Okay, so why is it used actually is if you have a content like this. Okay, this is the video that you have, and what is the background of this video? Can you please tell me? It is black, right? What is on the background of this photo? For example, the photo I have inserted, it is this much. Okay, it is applied this much, and what is here? It is nothing but the black effect. Now, if I want to change this background, I can just make use of this one. Okay, you can just change the colors. For example, you can give it a green color. You can give this background a different color. For example, you can give yellow color, and then you can make this photo appear in the yellow color like this. Pan and zoom with the pan and zoom option. Okay, for example, when you play this and see here, this is a small photo. Then we just increased it. See how beautiful animation we gave it with the pan and zoom, right? So this is how it worked, right? So come on, done with this one. Okay, so this was a background thing. You can give the blur option as well. Blur ka matlab hota hai, this photo will be placed behind it, it will be blurred out. Okay, this will be the iPhone effect. Probably in the iPhones you have all seen this thing. They place it something in the behind, so this is the blur option. You can just create that itself, and how much blur you want you can give, and it is totally up to you. In some if devices, if you do not have, do not worry about that. If you want the blur photo to be placed behind, then you can just create that with your own creativity, and I'll just show you everything in the upcoming sessions, and don't worry about that now. Fine. There's something called as a vignette option now. What is a vignette option, dear sisters and brothers? It is nothing but what it does it. Come on, apply it and see. It is nothing but what it does it. It just creates, okay? It just creates dark circles around the corners of the video. Fine. Come on. Click on the vignette and see. See what happened? It darkened the borders. That's all. Understood? You know, whenever I write the text, I make use of this one, okay? Because it highlights the text. It converts a bit darkness to the video. It gives the darkness to the videos, and it highlights the text. So this is how you can make use of the vignette options. Understood or not? Please type yes or no. We are done with all of the options. Okay, there's something called as an information option, dear sisters and brothers. Information ka matlab hota hai, that will give you the details about the photo that you have inserted. Okay, from where it was taken, which format is the photo in, what is the resolution of the photo, and where is it located. Okay, and it will be same about the video as well. The FPS, the dimensions, and everything will be mentioned about the video as well. And there is something called as an advanced. You can just replace. Okay, you just don't have to make use of this advanced tools and more. Okay, now this was everything about the advanced photo editing options. Have you all understood each and every options? Come on, give me a quick recap without saying what were the advanced editing photo editing options. Quickly. Number 1. Trim and split. Replace. Number 1 was replace. Number 2, pan and zoom. Very good. Number 3, someone mentioned clip graphics. Very good, dear sister. Clip graphics. Next, sisters, someone mentioned AI styling. Very good, sister. AI styling. And some more. Just a moment, I'll see the chat box. Okay, clip graphics. Alhamdulillah. Clip graphics, AI. And what more? Magic remover. Yes. 5th one. Magic remover. Then cartooning, that is everything in the AI styling. Okay. And then magic remover, vintage. Okay, vintage was in adjustment. Okay, that was adjustments and the filters. 6th one was filters. Then 7th one was adjustments. Okay, remember each and every tools, dear sisters and brothers. These are very, very, very important. Then we had seen about background. Very good, excellent. Background. Then I think one topic is missing. Replace, pan and zoom, clip graphics, AI styling. Very good. Magic remover. Magic remover was also dealt, right? Backgrounds, adjustments, vignette. And this is very important that just learn it is vignette and also the super resolution, right? Alhamdulillah. So this was it about all of the photo editing options. Give it, dear sisters and brothers. Now I want to, yes, blurring the background. Excellent, dear sister Shabina Parveen. Okay, I want you all to just export the content that you have just now created with all of this option and send it to me as a homework. Okay, this is not the homework of today. This is just a side by thing that you have to send me for after today's class. Fine, you can just send it to me now. Export this video and send it to me now. Fine. Now we are going to learn something very important. Yes, dear sisters, we have learned about mirroring as well. We all forget about this. The rotating, mirroring, right? And also one important thing, trim, split and freeze, right? I said that is also essential for some reasons, creating the thumbnails, creating something like that. Okay, alhamdulillah. So all of this was about the photo editing options. Yes. So come on, we are going to now deal with the video editing options. Okay. Now I want to delete this photo. I want you all to import a video out of it. Come on, import a video. Take any video from your own devices. We do not have much time left, but this is the major topic of today's class. Fine. I want you all to bear with me for next 10 minutes, inshallah. This is a major topic for today's class. I want you all to insert a video inside your timeline. Done importing any video on your timeline. Import any video on your timeline. Done? Alhamdulillah. Keep it an interactive session, inshallah, so that each and every one here can learn through whatever you're doing. Okay, so come on, you are just imported the video on the timeline. Now you have a video on your timeline. So this, how to select that video? This one, you're just clicking it up, and now what happened? The media circle is replaced by the advanced video editing tools. Now we're just going to go through some of the advanced video editing tools, some of the advanced video editing tools, so that in tomorrow's session we'll be left out with some of it, but today we are going to go through some of the video editing tools. Fine. So this is the video that I have. Fine. What is an important thing, dear sisters and brothers? Every time you have to adjust this one. How to adjust this? What is the tool that has made you to adjust this? Come on, tell me. Tool to adjust the aspect ratio. I told you to repeat 10 times. Pan and zoom. Very good. It is pan and zoom. You have to remember this tool. This is very important, or else your videos won't look professional. Very important aspect, dear sisters and brothers. Your videos won't look professional if you are going to adjust 9:18 and putting inside the 16:9 ratio reels. Okay, so just make use of this pan and zoom. Probably the video that I've taken doesn't look good for this one, but let me just try. And you did not ask so doubt about this, right? Because the previous student would ask me the doubts, why is this equal to located? It is nothing but if you want the start position and end position to be the same, we can just reply it as equal to. Okay, let the start position and end position be the same. Okay, if you have it with the photo, then it will be of no use. Or do not apply equal to for the photo. Okay, for the videos you can apply the equal to. Now play it up and see if any aspect ratio is left out at the top. No, right? So this is the video that we have just increase the aspect ratio of. Okay, so the next thing, the trim and split, we have learned about a video, right? We have learned trim and split of the video. We have learned replace of the photo and the video. It's the same. Slip option, all of these options will be dealt in tomorrow's session. The pan and zoom option is also done, correct or not? Yes. And also the rotate option is done. The pan and zoom option for the photo and the video is same. Then we have something called as the filter option. It is same as the photos, dear sisters. Okay. Now see here in the way the filters, you can just convert it as a beautiful video. For example, you see here, it was not looking that great. For example, let me just move here and show you. Okay, this part. Let me just make it beautiful, make it more beautiful. Apply some warmth, apply some basic effects, apply some deep Ottoman effects or something like that. We can make something cool with this stuff that you have. Okay, then you have adjustments also. This is the same thing. Okay, this is the same thing. You can apply the contrast with that. We have learned each and every aspect with the photos, right? So try it each and every aspect with the videos that you have just held in your this one. Fine, that you have put it on the timeline. Try each and every option. You will be helpful to create the RGB effect. Okay, we can just change it into the green. You can change it into the blue. You can change it into the red. See, a red, blue, green, RGB. You'll get it through the hue. Fine. Then you have something called as lifting up, lifting lightly. You have so many things. Give it all a try, inshallah. You can just put a reset also if you do not want all of these effects. And if you want to go to the adjustment and put it a reset, and if you want to go to the filters, and also you can put it to the reset. Okay. Then we have something called as the clip graphics. That is excellent for the tool, excellent tool that we have learned in the previous sessions, right? You can just apply the beautiful transitioning effects. Fine. Probably this video is not good to go with because you're not understanding major concepts. So let me just have some other video. Fine. Okay. Let it be this one or this one. Okay. I have a video imported on my timeline. This is the video that I have. Fine. So, okay. Okay, dear sisters and brothers, now we are going to discuss a very major option. Fine. That option is known as extract audio. Fine. This is a very important option as a video editor, as a photo editor, and anything. Okay. I want you all to just move into an option named as extract audio. Fine. Extract audio. What does this mean to you? Can you please tell me what does extract audio mean? In a basic sense. Come on, tell me. It is an easy word. What does extract audio mean? You are just going to remove the audio. You're going to extract the audio out of it. Okay. You're going to not remove it. You're going to extract the audio out of it. Okay. You're just going to take the audio out of it. What in the common words, what you say? Select the audio out of it. Yes. You're going to select the audio out of it. For example, this is the audio. This is the thing that I have. If I go and click on the extract audio, in a second, your audio will be extracted. Okay. Now, if you want to take the audio from this video and put it to your own videos, okay, what you do is you just delete this video. Done. Delete this video. Audio is remaining because it is extracted already. Okay, or video, you just have to apply your own videos. For example, if you're just making use of your own videos, this is how you do it. Have you understood how did you extract the audio from the video? Yes or no, please? That was the previous video. I wanted to extract the audio and I wanted to place it in my own video or on my own photo. See, what I did was I changed the background of it. Understood or not understood? Dear sisters and brothers, please tell me if you have understood or not understood. I'll explain to you again because this is very important concept. Very, very, very important. I have taken the audio out of a video and I put it on my own video. This is the way I do it. Fine? Understood it? I'll delete it again. This will be a homework for you all. See here, I'll delete the audio also. How to delete it? This here, delete option. I told you already about the dustbin, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. So I have something like this. Let me just put it here. Okay. Now you found this audio very beautiful. The audio that I had sent yesterday, and you wanted to extract the audio from it. What you do is you just click on that video, click on the extract audio. Your audio is extracted, and you don't want my video, and you want to create your own video. What you do is you just delete it up, and now you just can put your own audios and videos there. For example, let me just add some images instead of that video, and then the audio will be there. Fine. See, now you just can add your own audios or the videos or background videos or something like that, and you can just create your own content with the audio that was supplied there. Understood or not understood? This is very important concept. I want you all to understand this. If you have not understood, you can just tell me to repeat, and I want a yes now if you have understood it all. Come on. Yes, you can add pics also. This is what I just showed you. Yes, this is a pic here, dear sister Ali Ali. This is a pic that I've added. Fine? Understood, right? Everyone? This is very important topic. Okay. Very frequently asked doubts, dear sisters and brothers, is I like a YouTube video and I want an audio from that video or YouTube video and I want to create my own video. How to do that? Okay. I'm just going to address in next 2 to 3 minutes. Just bear with me for next 5 minutes, inshallah. So most frequently asked question. I just like a YouTube video. I just like the audio from a YouTube video and I want to take it in my own video. Okay. I want to put it in my own video. How to do that? Okay. I'm going to address this doubt and I'm going to address this frequently asked questions. Okay. I want you all to just go to the YouTube. Okay. YouTube or any platform that you want. For example, okay, let me just go to the YouTube and whichever video that you like, come on, select that. How to select that, dear sisters and brothers? You just have to copy the URL, right? Someone follow after me. How are you going to select that? You're just going to copy the URL. For example, let me just head on to my own videos that we have on the EDU-SITE. So, for example, I like the audio of a video there. So how do I select the URL of that? What do I have to do? What do I have to click, dear sisters and brothers? Come on, type sooner. You just have to yes, please. You cannot download the videos. You cannot download the videos from the YouTube directly, right? So how to download the videos first? Yes, you have to download it. Excellent. But how to download the videos? I'm just going to show you the trick, okay? So first thing, you have to copy the link, right? So you are going to copy the URL of the video that you like, okay? By the downloaders, yes. There are 2 procedures, okay? I'm going to explain to you again. We are going to learn how to download YouTube videos through, we have 2 procedures. One is we can just make use of the apps to download the YouTube videos. And second is you can make use of the online downloaders. Okay, online downloaders. You just can make use of the online downloaders. Fine. You can just make use of the apps. You have various apps like Vidmate, like yes YouTube or downloaders or something like that. And also you can just make use of the online YouTube video downloaders just to save your memory, or something like unwanted ads and more will appear much on those platforms, right? So just to avoid all of that, you can just make use of the online YouTube video downloaders, right? So what you all have to do is, whichever video that you like, you want to extract the audio from, so you just have to go to that and share the video and just copy the link of it. And now you all have to go to your browser, whichever browser you have. Come on, I have the Chrome browser. I'll just open the Chrome browser. And now what you have to do is, you have to type in the URL. You have to type in something. Okay, what something you're going to type is, click on this one and write online YouTube video downloader. Okay, just write online video downloader, and you will have so many options. In that option, you will have one option known as youtube.com. You can just go through whichever option that you want. Fine. And there is something called as paste your video link. Just paste your video link there and download it up. That's all. Click on the download button. Your video will be downloaded within a second. Fine. And then that downloaded video will appear on your timeline. Fine. Will appear on the timeline of the Kinemaster. You just have to download this app, and then it will appear on the timeline of the Kinemaster. Click on the Kinemaster. It will appear on your Kinemaster after it is getting downloaded. Fine. And then you have to go to the media browser, and this journey you have to click on the downloads, and that video will appear on your downloads. Fine. On the downloads, just go and see. It will be on your downloads. Fine. Hope you have understood how to download it. For example, this is the video that I had downloaded. Fine. This is the video that I had downloaded. Okay. It is here. So let me just close this button. Now I want to extract the audio out of it. Okay, how to extract the audio? Click on the video, go to the extract audio button. Where is the extract audio button? It is here. It is here. The video that you have inserted, go to that and click it and just extract the audio. Fine. So this video does not have an audio, probably. Yes, it did not have any audio. So it did not show you the extract audio. For example, I'll show you another thing. Okay, this is the video probably you had downloaded. So extract the audio. Done. Hope you have understood how you're going to download it from the YouTube videos. Okay, online YouTube downloaders are excellent for you all. Just give it all a try. Fine. So if you want to extract the audio from the YouTube video that I had just sent, just do the extract audio and delete the video. Delete the video. This audio that you have extracted will be here. Just it will be actually what happened to this is it will be this one it has just lowered its opacity. That's all. It has lowered its opacity. That's all, because the base is not available. After adding the base, it will be available for you. Fine. Do not worry if you delete the video. That will be remaining. The audio will be remaining there. Now you can apply your own videos to that audio and create a content. So this will be a homework for tomorrow, inshallah. So this was what we have studied in today's session. How to extract the major thing that we have studied in today's session is how to extract the audio from a YouTube video or the URL. If I send it to you, I want you all to download the content from through the URL and send it to me. I send the audio attached to the video, inshallah. So that will be a homework for you all, inshallah. So I want you all to give me a quick lesson recap, dear sisters and brothers. Come on. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are done with today's session. This was it for today's class, and tomorrow whenever I'm going to give you after the class, whenever I'm going to give you the homework, I want you all to just tell me what we had just put in all of the things that we had done in today's session into your homework. Fine. So give me a quick lesson recap that we had done. It was nothing but about the advanced photo editing options. We had learned all of it that are given here in the picture, the AI styling and more. And we have learned each and every aspects, right? Dear sisters and brothers, alhamdulillah. So then what did we learn? Okay, we learned some photo editing tools like the trim, split, okay, and how to convert a simple photo into video using the pan and zoom option. Okay, then we have something called as the adding the visual effects to the photos using the different tools like adjustment, filters, AI styling, the Vignette, and more. Then we had something advanced video editing options, and only we have learned very important aspect, learn how to download the YouTube videos, right? So extract the video and how to download it by copying the URL. Very good, sister. Alhamdulillah. This is how you have to do this. How to download the YouTube videos, nothing but you just have to copy the URL from the YouTube content or the Instagram content or somewhere like that, and you have to go and use other website and just type there like online YouTube video download, or you can type online Instagram video downloader, or you can type online Facebook video downloader. Okay, you just have to put the URL there that you have copied inside the inside this one. Fine. So this will be the homework for tomorrow's class, inshallah. Okay, extract the audio from the YouTube video link and add it to your own audio, and you have to send it to me. Okay, now for now, not send it because, dear sister, do not send it because I'm giving you a homework, a better homework. I want you all to do, I want you, everyone to do the same homework. Fine. Whatever I'm going to send to you, I want you all to give me the same homework. Fine. So if you have any doubts, you can just ping me, inshallah. I'll be available for all of you, inshallah. So this was a session for today. Jazakumullah khair, and dear sisters and brothers here. Take care of yourself, inshallah, with a hope to learn more, with a spirit to learn more. Let's all meet in tomorrow's session. I want you all to be concentrating and be attentive in all of the sessions, and I want you all to be present in upcoming sessions, because from tomorrow you are going to all have a very important session. Okay, you're going to learn very important, very important things of the Kinemaster, very important things that a video editor has to learn. Fine. So very importantly, I want you all to be present in upcoming sessions, inshallah. So with this spirit of learning more, with this spirit of gaining more rewards through editing, inshallah, I want you all to be present in upcoming sessions, and inshallah, with the izn of Allah, let's meet in tomorrow's session. Jazakumullahu khairan, your sisters and brothers here. Take care of yourself. Keep me in your duas, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum.